We want to express the following in the form c plus dj. We have 7j over 4 minus j. So we have a complex number in the denominator. We're going to use a process which is called realizing the denominator. We want to make the denominator into a real number. This is similar to when we had surds, where we rationalized the denominator. We got rid of any surds that were in the denominator of the expression. The method we use to do this is similar as well. We make use of the fact that a plus b times a minus b is a squared minus b squared, the difference of two squares. Here we're going to multiply both top and bottom by 4 plus j, the conjugate of 4 minus j. Because we've effectively multiplied by 1, we haven't changed the value of the original expression. The numerator becomes 7j times 4 plus j. The denominator becomes 4 minus j times 4 plus j. So we have 28j plus 7j squared all over, using the difference of two squares, just like here, we're going to have a squared minus b squared, where a is 4 and b is j. So we get 4 squared minus j squared. Remember, of course, that j squared is minus 1. So this becomes 28j take away 7 over 16 minus 1. So we have 28j take away 7 over 17. And we can write this as minus 7 over 17, which is our real part, plus 28j over 17, which is the imaginary part.